Sheffield Contraception and Sexual Health Service offers free and confidential advice and support to both men and women on a wide range of sexual health issues. Our professional and friendly team are here to provide you with an opportunity to discuss your sexual health needs. The services we have available are a full range of contraception including condoms and emergency contraception, often called the morning after pill, testing for a full range of sexually transmitted infections including chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis and HIV, advice around unplanned pregnancies and referrals for abortions, vasectomy operations and counselling. Remember, all of our services are free. There is a wide range of clinics available at our main city centre site and other locations around the city, so you will be able to find one to suit you. The easiest way to be seen is to attend one of our walk-in and wait clinics, either the drop-in, the youth clinic or the men-only clinic. Or, if you prefer, appointments are available with prior booking. Please see the website www.scash.nhs.uk or call 0114 305 4000 for full details of opening times and locations of clinics.